Eewooo! Eewooo! Has Lagbayi forgotten that the ground shakes when a person pounds the mortar? Bọ́mọ ojú bá gùn yá ìdágìrì adálẹ̀. Ẹ dúró náà. Àbí kì í sóhun làláì ń tọ́ka sí ni? When a soldier says he killed 7 people at war and scramble 7 chicks when he returns, if I wasn't opportune to see the war, what about the chicks? This is a great sign. A great sign. But what effrontery? What temerity? What has given him the audacity to appear in my dream? Lagbayi, only if you can unscramble eggs that you win this battle. But if not, trust me, you will never overcome this battle. Yes, I know it will be a very tough one. But believe me, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Lagbayi, I will let you understand that a little pepper can never be denied of its power. Màá jẹ́ kó yé ẹ wípé kékeré ejò kò ṣe tọwọ́ bọ̀ lẹ́nu. Gbodorogun! Bí sí ò bá pẹ́ ni, èèyàn kò ì pẹ́sẹ̀. The early bird catches the worm.